Hello everyone, this is Atomic PR Surgeon, production grade code reviewer that runs on 600 million parameters model and cost nothing. As we know, the problem with the automated code review was it take time, frontier AI model take cost, and a small model frequent misses on real bug. So we fix all these three things. We run 4 specialized micro agents, security, performance, logic, and a fix agent backed by 100 patterns of RAG knowledge base, same 0.6b model. The result is 71% precision compared to 22% raw. How it work? It work on a 7-layer pipeline, starting with GitHub PR, difference parsers, cross-file code memory, RAG retrieval, then 3 agent assemble with security, perfection and logic, then validator, and then fix agent and GitHub comment. Cross-file code memory feature is there. As we review each file, a deterministic engine maps every function variable and secret across the entire PR and it defines hard-coded password locks it. We are teaching 0.6b model to see the bugs. These are the things that doesn't work and this is a concern is a creativity. So let us go on a live demo. So here we are. So as you can see the difference parser, rect retrieval, 3 agent, validator and GitHub comment. This is the architecture pipeline. So first of all, we are going to see the PR code review. You can use your own difference also. Here it is written. So let me run review. It will take some time. As you can see that it found the bugs. 1 is critical, 5 are high. And you can see all the things. This is about security, performance, logic. You can also use your own diff here. So now another is about CI failure diagnosis. So let me run this also. And it does its work. You can see here that it is suggesting the fix and what test failure is there. Then we have got the GitHub PR review where you can review or try it on your own GitHub PR. So let me try this feature also. I am taking one of my project repository only. I use GitHub tokens. So let me paste that and PR. So it will analyze. So after analyzing, it found the bug. There are 5 bugs with high. 1 is critical. You can see that file reviewed and all finding, all the analysis it has done. You can download or copy also.